Project name Smart Anti-Littering Detection and Penalty System. Objective. The objective of this project is to develop a smart system that can detect when someone disposes of garbage outside the designated dustbin area. Upon detection, the system will trigger an audible alarm, buzzer, activate a red LED for visual alert, and capture an image of the person responsible using a camera. The goal is to promote responsible waste disposal habits, reduce littering, and support urban cleanliness through smart technology. Problem statement. Littering in public areas is a common issue that affects cleanliness, hygiene, and the environment. Despite the availability of dustbins, many individuals continue to dispose of waste irresponsibly. Manual monitoring is labor-intensive, inefficient, and often ineffective in identifying and penalizing offenders. There is a need for an automated solution that can detect improper waste disposal in real time and take immediate action to discourage such behavior.
Project description. This project involves designing and implementing a smart waste monitoring and alert system using sensors, a buzzer, LED, and a camera module. The system will monitor the area around a dustbin using sensors, EEG, ultrasonic or infrared. If garbage is detected outside the bin area, the system will interpret this as an instance of littering. In response, the system will 1. Trigger a buzzer to alert nearby individuals. 2. Turn on a red LED as a visual warning indicator. 3. Capture an image of the person throwing the garbage using a camera module. The captured image can be stored locally or sent to an authority for further action or evidence. The entire setup aims to automate waste monitoring in public spaces, improve compliance with cleanliness norms, and encourage civic responsibility.
Conclusion. The Smart Anti-Littering Detection and Penalty System successfully addresses the challenge of improper garbage disposal by using sensors, alarms, and a camera to monitor and respond to littering in real time. By automatically detecting when garbage is thrown outside the dustbin, alerting the offender through audible and visual signals, and capturing photographic evidence, the system encourages responsible behavior and helps enforce cleanliness rules through penalties. This project demonstrates how technology can be leveraged to promote public hygiene, reduce environmental pollution, and support smarter urban management. Implementing such systems in public places can significantly improve waste management and contribute to building cleaner, healthier communities.